Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to remove Netflix and Prime Video from your DYON Movie Smart TV. To remove basically your TV from your Netflix and Prime Video accounts and possibly some other streaming services, you're gonna have to navigate to the sidebar from the home screen of your TV, then open Settings menu, and in Settings menu scroll down to System menu. Here you're gonna have to scroll down to Application Settings, and in Application Settings navigate down to Prime Video or to Netflix and then select Deactivate and then click OK. And this way you will remove your TV from your Prime Video account. And the same for Netflix. Select Deactivate for Netflix, then click OK. And this way you will deactivate your Netflix account. Now you can also exit Netflix directly from the menu with your account remaining logged in on your computer by selecting Force Closure and clicking OK. And so that's how you can do this. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.